Hello, this video is another video on GROMACS installation on WSL2 Ubuntu, but as I have already demonstrated the process on Fedora Linux, I don't see why I should give you a detailed description of each step, so this video is going to be shorter than my previous one. And as always, I will leave all the information on dependencies and commands and their sequence in the description to this video, so you can easily reproduce it on your system. Initially, we download the source code of GROMACS 2026.1, your desired version of GROMACS. We then set working directory to the root folder after we unpack it from the tar archive, and inside we create the build folder, move there once again, and then we start our building process by configuring GROMACS with CMake. After you successfully finish the configuration process, you then run a make to do an actual build, and with GROMACS you can do it on all multiple threads, on all the threads available on your system, and it is very clean and polished usually, with no errors, unlike, for example, Amber tools. The last time I tried to install them, it was terrible, multiple errors, and at some point I had to switch to single thread compilation because I constantly run into errors due to concurrent work of different threads, and I literally had to even edit a file with the name like help me, which was generated during build, and it is kind of funny because you can add the missing head. It's not that difficult, right? I'm not your developer, I don't have to fix you. check command to build tests that you have downloaded if you decided to download them, which is optional. And you run those tests. I advise you to do it on a single thread unless you have powerful node. Sometimes on weaker system tests fail due to timeout. This doesn't necessarily mean that your compilation was wrong. Just try running it on one thread. After you have tested it, you can finally install it using sudo make install command. Then you modify basher C file with nano and you specifically add either alias to directly GMX executable, or you can source it each time you start new session in your console.